Today I am going to show you an extremely powerful presentation AI, and this is a really great AI since you always need presentations. For example, if you're at school, you need some presentations sometimes, or maybe you're at work and you need a presentation fast, and this AI will just create the presentation for you, which is really great. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoy this video, but now let's get right into this. So first, what we want to do is we want to head over to Google and here search for something called Tome app, tome.app. So just click on that and then the first link will come up, beta Tome app. So let's just click on that and then we will be right here and we can go on up here on try Tome. Now we will have to create an account, so I will just quickly do that. And now our account has been submitted and now we will just create our profile, and now we are ready to create. So now what we want to do is we want to go onto the create button up in the corner right here and we can get started. So now we just have to think of any subject we want our presentation to be around. So I will just say make a presentation about World War II. And then we'll just have to wait a second after we click enter and it will create a complete presentation for us, as I said. So now first of all is the introduction to World War II with the picture. The picture isn't that great, I think, but it does its job. So it's generating right now. And now our presentation has been successfully created. So now when we go onto this, we can see A Tale of Epic Proportions, World War II, and then we can see our little table of contents, and then we can see and click through this and see all of these different texts to World War II. So the causes of World War II, then we have introduction to World War II, then the causes of the war, the aftermath of the war, the legacy of World War II, and the conclusion. So that is really great. So we have a lot of different things in this presentation. Now let's try again and try with another subject. So not history, but let's make a presentation about new AI tools. So let's just say that, and then it will maybe create a presentation, because World War II is a general subject, so they may have some content for that already, but now we will see the full power of the AI with a topic that is pretty new. So it's generating again and we will have to wait a second. And just like that, it has created our presentation, which is great, unlocking the future with AI tools. So we have a table of contents again, and then all of these different slides with text. So that is really great. So if I were you, I would definitely check this website out if I need some presentations at times. And make sure to leave a like and to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And without further ado, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.